Hola, buenos días, amigos. Happy Wednesday. It's so good to see you again. Today I am outside with my animals, my 2 cats, and my dog. This is my cat, Chinchi. This is my kitten, Chiquita. And this is my doggy, Araceli. And we are out here enjoying the nice sun and the beautiful flowers around us. Today we are going to be painting some flowers just like the ones behind me. This is how the flowers look like. This is what we'll need: paint, cotton ball, cotton swabs, an elastic, and white paper. So first we are going to grab our cotton swabs. We're going to put them together and we're going to tie them with the hair elastic. Then we're going to put some of our paint in our paper plate. And we can mix it together a little bit with our fingers. To get both of the colors in there. Then we are going to dip our cotton swabs into our paint. Make sure you get a lot of paint in there, okay, friends? And we are going to dab it onto our paper just like this. We're gonna try to do a circle. Give some more paint. This is how it looks with our cotton swabs. And this is how it looks with our cotton ball. I wiped down my paper plate and I put some green paint on here. And I'm just going to use my finger, dip it in there. See, Chiquita's right here trying to help me out. With the And there we have it, friends. Our nice, beautiful flowers. Enjoy making them. Bye, friends. See you next time.